Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to Coorg, also known as the Scotland of India. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a mesmerizing journey through this enchanting destination nestled in the heart of the Western Ghats. So, let's dive right in. Coorg is famous for its breathtaking landscapes, coffee plantations, and lush forests. One of the first things you'll notice here is the refreshing aroma of coffee beans that fills the air. Fun fact, Coorg accounts for nearly 50% of India's coffee production. Apart from its natural beauty, Coorg is also known for its unique cultural heritage. The local people here, known as Kadavas, have a distinct identity and a rich cultural tapestry. The women wear a beautiful sari called kapaya, and the men sport a traditional attire known as kurta pajama. Exploring Coorg wouldn't be complete without a visit to its vibrant markets. Here you'll find an array of spices, homemade chocolates, and aromatic coffee, perfect as souvenirs to take back home. And don't forget to try the famous Coorg honey, known for its incredible taste and medicinal properties. Now, let's talk about Coorg's most beloved beverage, coffee. Did you know that Coorg grows some of the finest coffee beans in the world? The cool climate and fertile soil make it an ideal region for coffee cultivation. And hey, if you're a coffee lover like me, you can even visit one of the coffee estates and witness the entire process, from bean to brew. Coorg is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. From majestic waterfalls to dense forests, there is no shortage of scenic spots here. One such gem is Abbey Falls, where you can witness the cascade of water crashing down amidst pristine surroundings. It's a sight that will leave you in awe. If you're an adventure seeker, Coorg offers plenty of exciting activities. Trekking enthusiasts can explore the mesmerizing landscapes of the Brahmagiri Wildlife Sanctuary, home to a variety of flora and fauna. The thrill of hiking through the lush greenery here is simply unmatched. And let's not forget about the vibrant festivals of Coorg. The locals celebrate with great enthusiasm, and you can witness the traditional Kadava dance called Kolu. It's a rhythmic spectacle that showcases the valor and rich history of the region. As the sun starts to set over the golden paddy fields, Coorg paints a mesmerizing canvas of colors. The serene beauty of this place is truly unmatched, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. So there you have it, fellow travelers. Coorg is a place that encapsulates nature's beauty, cultural heritage, and warm hospitality. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventure enthusiast, or someone seeking a tranquil escape, Coorg offers something for everyone. Stay tuned for more exciting destinations and remember to keep exploring. Until next time, happy adventuring.